Hello everyone, I am Ambuj, faculty of BCA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic data model. Data model is the modeling of the data description, data semantics and consistency constraint of the data. It provides the conceptual tools of describing the design of database at each level of the data abstraction. Therefore, there are the following 4 data models used for understanding the structure of database. 4 type of data model. Now first one is the relational data model. These type of model designing the data in the form of row and column within a table. Thus a relations model use table for representing data and in between relationship. Table are also relations. The relational data model is widely used model which is primarily used by commercial data processing applications. Now next is entity relationship data model. An ER model is the logical representation of data as objects and relationship among them. These objects are known as entities and relationship is an association among these entities. This model was designed by Peter Chen and published in 1976 papers. It was widely used in a database designing. A set of attributes describe the entities. For example, student name, student ID describe the student entity. A set of the same type of entity is known as entity set, and the set of the same type of relation is known as a relationship set. Now next is the object based data model, an extension of the ER model with notation of function, encapsulation and object identity as well. These models support a rich type system that include structure and calculation and collection types. Thus, in 1980s, various data types system following the object-oriented approach were developed. Here the objects are nothing but the data carrying its properties. Semi-structured data model. This type of data model is different from the other 3 models. The semi-structured data model allows the data specification at place where the individual data item of the same type may have a different attribute sets, and extension markup language also known as XML is widely used for representing the semi-structured data. Although XML was initially designed for including the markup information to the text document, it gained importance because it is application in the exchange of data. Data model, schema and instance is also important part of the DBMS. The database which is stored in the database at a particular moment of a time is called an instance of the database. The overall design of the database is called schema. A database schema is the skeleton structure of the database. It represents the logical view of the entire database. A schema contains schema object like table, foreign key, primary key, view, column, data type, store procedure, etc. A database schema can be represented by using the visual diagram. That diagram is show the database objects and relationship with each other. A database schema is designed by the database designer to help the programmer whose software will interact with the database. The process of database creation is called data modeling. A schema diagram can display only some aspect of schema like that, name of record type, data type and constraint. Other aspect cannot be specified through the schema diagram. For example, the data type of each data item nor the relationship among various files. In the database, actually data change quite frequently. The data a particular moment of time is called the instance of the database. So I hope you understand the topic of data model. Thank you very much.